Lance Roberts. Welcome to 3 Minutes on Markets and Money, talking about tops or processes and bottoms or events. And the issue is now, where are we in this current cycle? You know, we've had a great run from the December 24th lows up to where we are currently. And of course, the market's run into a bit of challenge here just as of late. But if we look back, and a lot of the bulls say, well, 2015, 2016 looked a whole lot like this. There was a difference. In 2015, 2016, the ECB was launching into quantitative easing to a massive degree to offset the risk of Brexit. We don't have that currently. And in fact, what we have today that is very different is a long list of items that are really acting as headwinds to the markets. Earnings estimates are weaker. Forward estimates are being reduced. Look at corporate profitability. It's been under pressure here. European growth continues to weaken. Chinese data continues to weaken. If we take a look at the fundamental backdrop and the political backdrop, there are additional stresses there, really kind of all across the board. Valuations remain high. These challenges will continue to weigh on markets and have a lot of similarities to what we've seen in the past. And if we look back at history, we see some very similar patterns developing as well. In fact, going back to 1974, we see a very interesting situation here. The market went through a topping process in 1972, 1973, finally broke the 75-week moving average, and that led to the decline into 1974. Markets lost about 50% of their value. We see the same thing that occurred at the market in 1999. Same situation. Markets were going through a topping process in 1999, 2000. Eventually, the market broke the 75-week moving average. That was the demarcation point for the bigger decline of the dot-com crash in 2000, 2001. Again, we look forward. How about the financial crisis? Exactly the same scenario. A topping process through 2006, 2007, finally broke the 75-week moving average in early 2008. That was the demarcation point that led up to the actual financial crisis. We see the same types of similarities throughout history with markets going through these topping processes. They take 18 to 24 months, sometimes a little bit longer, but ultimately it's that break of the 75-week moving average which has been the demarcation point for a bigger bear market. We are challenging that point currently, and yet this is the thing we'll be looking forward as we go through the rest of this year. Be sure and get by our newly redesigned website, realinvestmentadvice.com, where you can find access to all of our information, our blog, our newsletter, our YouTube videos, as well as our podcast. But most importantly, you can get our daily videos as well as access to our latest report, the one we wrote today, Technically Speaking, Tops or Processes, up on the website now, realinvestmentadvice.com. Thanks for watching 3 Minutes on Markets and Money. I'll see you next time.